You need a reliable solution to keep your floors spotless without lifting a finger. And that's where robot vacuum cleaners come in. These smart devices have become essential in modern households, offering automated cleaning with powerful suction, advanced navigation, and time-saving convenience. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large family home, the best models can handle dust, pet hair, and debris on multiple surfaces, leaving your floors fresh and clean every day. In this top 3, we'll explore the best robot vacuum cleaners that combine performance, innovation, and ease of use to make your cleaning routine effortless. In the third, I tested the iMartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a 2-in-1 cleaning device that combines vacuuming and mopping for greater convenience. It comes with a 230 milliliter electronic water tank for controlled water seepage, ensuring even and safe cleaning across a variety of hard floors such as tile, ceramic, parquet, and wood. The suction is powerful enough to pick up pet hair, crumbs, and fine dust, while the mop function adds an extra layer of cleanliness by wiping away stains and light spills. Its slim, 2.87-inch design allows it to easily slip under sofas, beds, and cabinets, which makes a big difference in reaching hidden dust. I found the app integration very practical, as I could schedule cleaning sessions, switch modes, or even use voice control through Google Assistant for hands-free commands. The robot offers 4 cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, giving flexibility depending on the type of mess. And I particularly liked the Zigzag mode because it covered a wider area more efficiently. With its 2,500 mAh battery, the robot can run up to 100 minutes, which is enough for small to medium homes. And when the charge is low, it automatically returns to the dock. On the downside, I noticed that while suction is reliable for dust and pet hair, it struggles with larger crumbs or thicker carpets. And even though the sensors prevent falls and most collisions, the robot sometimes gets stuck in tighter spaces or tangled with wires. Another limitation is the small water tank capacity, which requires frequent refilling if you want to mop a larger area. In conclusion, the iMartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a quiet, efficient, and budget-friendly solution that works well for daily maintenance and smaller homes. But if you have bigger spaces or heavy cleaning needs, you may need to look for a higher capacity model. Secondly, I tested the iLife Fee 5S Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, and my experience was quite positive overall, though not without some drawbacks. This little machine impressed me with its slim design, which allowed it to sneak under furniture and into tight spaces where a normal vacuum wouldn't reach. The suction power was sufficient for picking up dust, dirt, and especially pet hair, which is a huge advantage if you have animals at home. The dual functionality of vacuuming and mopping worked decently, but I quickly noticed that the device does not vacuum and mop at the same time, since the water tank and dustbin are separated, so you need to choose one mode. With Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, controlling the vacuum by voice was very practical, and the mobile app made scheduling and monitoring easy, even though it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which can be limiting for some users. The runtime of around 110 minutes per charge was sufficient to clean a medium-sized apartment, and the automatic return to the charging station gave me peace of mind. However, when it came to carpets, I found its performance weaker. It handled hardwood and tiles well, but struggled to pick up embedded dirt on thicker carpets. Another drawback is that it gets stuck easily under very low furniture or caught in loose cables, which forced me to prepare the area before each cleaning. Battery life also received mixed results. While some days it lasted as advertised, other times it seemed to drain much faster. In conclusion, the iLife Fi 5S Plus is a reliable and budget-friendly robotic vacuum, especially for homes with mostly hard floors and pets. It's quiet, simple to operate, and offers good value for money. But if you expect deep carpet cleaning or flawless navigation, you may feel a bit limited by its performance. In the third, I tested the TCOM Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo G8000 Max, and I must say it impressed me with its powerful 5,000 Pascal suction, which made a real difference when cleaning up pet hair, dust, and crumbs on both hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. And the fact that it combines vacuuming and mopping in one go saved me quite a bit of time, especially with the 450 milliliter dustbin and 300 milliliter water tank that allowed it to handle multiple rooms without frequent emptying. I also appreciated its slim, 2.99-inch design that easily slid under my sofa and beds, and the smart sensors that helped it avoid obstacles and stairs made it reliable to run even when I wasn't around. Plus, the 150 minutes of battery life in quiet mode was enough for daily cleaning in my medium-sized home. And I liked the 4 different control options, including the app, remote, voice control, and button, which gave me flexibility in how I managed it. And the cleaning modes like zigzag and spot mode ensured I could tailor the cleaning as needed. However, I did notice a few drawbacks. While the suction was strong, over time I felt the battery life became inconsistent, as some days it drained faster than others. And although it was quiet in operation, it sometimes struggled with thicker carpets or larger debris, which meant I had to do a quick manual vacuum afterward. Also, while the app is useful, I found the mapping less precise compared to higher-end models, which occasionally caused it to miss a few spots in tricky corners. In conclusion, the TCOM G8000 Max is a strong contender if you want an affordable and efficient robot vacuum and mop combo with great suction power, decent battery life, and good value for money. Though you have to accept that the mapping and carpet performance are not as advanced as some premium models. To conclude, each of these robot vacuum cleaners has its strengths and weaknesses, but what they all share is the ability to simplify your daily life by taking over one of the most time-consuming household chores. Whether you are looking for strong suction power, combined vacuum and mop functionality, smart navigation, or long battery life, there is an option that can match your needs and budget. By testing them myself, I realized that no model is perfect, but each one offers enough practicality and efficiency to make the investment worthwhile. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your home, your lifestyle, and the features you value most. But one thing is certain: once you start using a robot vacuum cleaner, it is hard to go back to traditional cleaning. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.